Hi everyone, in this lesson we will learn how to insert pivot charts. In previous lessons we learned how to generate pivot tables and also we learned different options how to format pivot tables. But in this lesson we will learn about a powerful graphical tool that's often used alongside pivot tables as a graphical representation of the data inside the pivot tables. This tool is called Pivot Chart, and we can insert Pivot Chart by going to the Insert tab here. And in this menu, we select the Pivot Chart option. And we click on this one, Pivot Chart, and then we select the type of Pivot Chart. So we will leave it as it is, and we can click on OK here. Once we click on OK, this will insert a pivot chart for us. Now, as you can see, this pivot chart graphically explains all the data we have in our pivot table. And another powerful thing we can do with pivot charts is that we can filter our data inside the pivot charts. For example, if I only want to display the data from the Baalbek region, I can come here and uncheck select all, and then we select the Baalbek region, and then we click on OK. Now this will give us the sales of all the fruits that are produced in Baalbek region. We can also remove this filter by clicking on the funnel icon here, and then click on the clear filter from the region option. Once you click on that, this will give us the original pivot chart. We can also filter the data based on another field we have here, which is fruit. We can unselect all, and then for example, I want the data only for apples. We click on apples and then OK. Now this will give us all the sales for apple in different regions. We can also add months to the filter box here. Now we remove this filter. Now we can also filter the data based on a specific month. For example, if I want to display only the data in the month of January, I can click on the January and then click OK. This will give us the sales of all the fruits in all the regions, but only in month of January. So this is how we can use and modify the graphical representation of our pivot table using pivot charts.